everyone, it's Elisa. In this lesson, we're going to be practicing how to solve some equations. Here we got 22 plus 2x divided by 4 equals 10. If we're thinking about this question in the way they were thinking about the questions before, we'd be tempted to start with our terms and to move this term of 22 to the right-hand side. So if we have a term that is a positive 22, to get rid of it, we'd imagine we would do a subtract 22. But can we do that in this scenario? What operation is this fraction sign implying? That's division. So really, we can't just be moving the 22 the way we see 22. That's actually 22 divided by 4. So in this fraction problem, we got two things happening. This 22 is being divided by 4 as well as this positive 2x. So really, another way of writing this problem would be 22 over 4 plus 2x over 4 is equal to 10. These two problems are exactly the same, but they just look different. Let's say that you didn't want to deal with the version on the right because it has fractions and you hate fractions. How would we go about getting rid of all of the terms and the factors in the original scenario? So I'm going to get rid of all this extra stuff. Okay, well, we know we should be starting with moving terms, but if we can't move that 22 the way it is, because really it's 22 over 4, let's think about that factor of 4. What operation is happening between the numerator and denominator? Well, we said that was division. So to get rid of a dividing by 4, the opposite operation would be multiplication. So if we start off on the left, if I rewrite our equation, 22 plus 2x all over, I'm going to put this in a bracket because all that stuff is being divided by 4, is equal to 10. We could multiply the left and the right-hand side by 4. And on the left, if I write my 4 with a denominator of 1, I notice that I have a factor of 4 at the top and the bottom of a fraction, which means that I can do 4 divided by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? 1. Those factors are gone. So on the left, we just have 22 plus 2x is equal to, because these have been divided out, is equal to 10 times 4, which is 40. Now we have an expression that's made up of terms. There's no more denominators for me to worry about. So the terms that we have are 22, we have plus 2x, and a 40. Okay, I want to be moving any terms that don't have any variables now. I can do that. I can move the 22. So let's move the 22 to the right-hand side. So we'll start off with 22. I'm going to subtract 22. I'll finish this off by 22 minus 22 plus 2x is equal to 40. Again, we are subtracting 22. On the left, 22 subtract 22. That's 0. So we have 2x, which remains. 2x is equal to 40 minus 22, 18. So now we have two terms. We have a term of 2x as well as a term of 18. Any other terms that need to be moved? Nope, but there is that factor of 2. So on the left, we have a plus 2 that's happening. This factor of 2 that needs to get moved. So 2 is being multiplied by x. We will get rid of it through division. So let's divide the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 2 and 2 again. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 x is equal to 18 divided by 2. That is 9. So 1x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9. So that's it for this question. I'll catch you guys on the next lesson.